This has definitely taken a while to mask off. I don't know if I shot any videos of when I first got this car. It is a 2003 Lexus LS430 UL, which I believe the UL stands for Ultra Luxury. The car has all kinds of options. There's back massagers in the back seat. Back seats are heated and cooled. There's a place in the back between the seats to set a 6-pack of Coke and it will keep it cool. It's got its own refrigerating air unit in the back, and it's opposite from the one in the engine. But anyway, this car was hit in the side, right about here, and it was, well, take it back. It was right here, and it caved in the rocker panel and about the center part of that B-post there. I was lucky enough to find another one of these at the junkyard and got this whole side of the car. Everything you see here, the doors, the fenders, even the other front fender, and all of this jam piece here and the rocker panel, got all of that for $211. I've been working on it for about 6 months now, just taking my time, and as funds come in to buy it. It's taken quite a while to get a mask up here. I'm ready to spray the color. Is from Tamco Paint. The color is called Eye Pink. I don't remember if there's a number on it. I'll look that up and put it in the details of the video here. But I'm going to shoot the color today. Decided to go ahead and paint all this out here along with the insides of the jams. Got everything taken out here. Getting ready to clean it up, paint it. I'm going to let this dry a week. I'll be going out of town for a week. And I'll come back and get the primer on the outside blocked. Get all that painted. I gotta get the bumpers primed and get those ready. I'll do that when I come back too. Or I may do it before I leave. I got 7 days before I leave. So, actually, the paint's going to cure about 2 weeks then, because I'll be gone almost a week. But, just doing a video of it. I'm going to put it on YouTube. So, I'll get some pictures of it, or some videos of it where I'm done. So, hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.